AI enforcement targets trucking industry. Crackdown on foreign drivers and deregulation push the U.S. Department of Transportation, DOT, is aggressively pursuing artificial intelligence, AI-driven enforcement to identify companies hiring undocumented foreign truck drivers, a move officials claim will protect American jobs and wages. This initiative comes as part of a broader deregulation agenda that prioritizes reducing bureaucratic hurdles and accelerating the deployment of autonomous vehicle technology. The AI-powered hunt for violators, according to DOT Deputy Secretary Stephen Bradbury. The agency plans to leverage AI and data analysis to detect fraudulent employment patterns more effectively than traditional human inspections. The goal is to eliminate what Bradbury describes as a widespread practice of undercutting wages by hiring illegal foreign drivers, which he alleges is eating the lunch of local drivers. States that fail to comply with stricter licensing standards risk losing federal transportation funding and even licensing authority. Regulatory pressure and job impact. The Federal Motor Carrier Safety Administration, FMCSA, is already tightening scrutiny on states issuing questionable commercial driver licenses. An emergency rule targeting non-domiciled licenses, currently paused in federal court due to public opposition, could affect approximately 200,000 trucking jobs. Critics argue this crackdown will disrupt supply chains and punish workers who have followed legal procedures. Deregulation as a core strategy, the AI enforcement plan aligns with the administration's 10-for-1 deregulation policy, requiring agencies to eliminate 10 regulations for every new major rule implemented. The DOT has already rolled back 78 regulations, including fuel economy standards, with claims of over $100 billion in cost savings. The agency is also resuming efforts to expedite autonomous vehicle exemptions and provide clearer regulatory guidance. Context and implications. This move reflects a growing trend toward using technology to enforce immigration and labor laws more rigorously. The DOT's focus on AI enforcement suggests a shift from traditional oversight methods to data-driven investigations, potentially raising concerns about privacy and due process. The simultaneous push for deregulation and autonomous vehicle deployment further indicates a broader strategy to reshape the trucking industry, potentially displacing both foreign and domestic workers in the long term. The DOT's actions will likely face ongoing legal challenges and public scrutiny, as stakeholders debate the balance between enforcement, economic efficiency, and worker rights.